Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V with MMI system, and this car was imported from USA, from North America. And maybe you know that the radio frequencies in North America region are a little bit different. So the FM radio is using only the odd frequencies, so we can set it to 92.9 or 93.1, but we cannot select the 93.0 in between. But luckily we should be able to change the coding using diagnostic interface like OBDeleven, which I have connected over there to the OBD2 port, and here I have the OBDeleven app, which is already running and connected to the vehicle. So I'm going to select list of all modules. I'm going to scroll down to module 5F. The index number is over here on the left side, 5F multimedia. And once we are connected to the multimedia, we are going to enter long coding, and over here we are going to change that coding. We are going to use the search bar over here and type maybe tuner. And yes, we have byte number 9, band settings for FM tuner. Let's switch it from the North American region to European Union. Slide to right. Success. And let's do the same for the AM tuner. Right now, slide to right. Wait a couple seconds, and once it's done, we can check if this actually worked. So I can see that the frequency already went all the way to the minimum position, let's call it, to the lowest setting available. And right now, if I scroll, yes, we have odd and even numbers after the point, so we can set to 93.0 without any issue. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Check the description below this video for more details. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.